Quiz Platter. A platter full of knowledge. Lucknow Pact 1916 quiz. Before we start, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our quizzes. In which year was the Lucknow Pact signed? Answer D. 1916. Which two political organizations reached the Lucknow Pact? Answer A. Congress and Muslim League. Which Congress leader represented the party in framing the Lucknow Pact? Answer C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Which Muslim League leader played a key role in the 1916 Lucknow Pact? Answer B. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. What electoral system was given to Muslims in the 1916 Lucknow Pact? Answer A. Separate electorates. The Lucknow Pact demanded greater autonomy for India under which power? Answer C. British rule. What share of central seats was given to Muslims in the 1916 Lucknow Pact? Answer B. 1/3. The 1916 Lucknow Pact occurred during which global conflict? Answer D. First World War. Which major demand was made jointly by Congress and the Muslim League? Answer D. Self-government for India. Which earlier reform had introduced separate electorates for Muslims? Answer B. Morley-Minto reforms, 1909. Which 1916 movement promoted self-government and Hindu-Muslim unity? Answer C. Home Rule movement. The 1916 Lucknow Pact symbolized unity between which communities? Answer B. Hindus and Muslims. Which internal Congress rivalry was reduced after the 1916 Lucknow Pact? Answer B. Moderates versus extremists. Which demand regarding provincial governance was included in the pact? Answer C. Provincial autonomy. What key political significance did the 1916 Lucknow Pact have? Answer: D. High point of Hindu-Muslim unity. Quiz Platter. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment.